Good evening everyone. Welcome to our next live session. Today I have included 12 questions. The first 3 questions will be from DI, next 3 questions will be from number series, and the last 6 questions will be from word problem. Okay, I hope you are ready. Yes, Aromal, Vinish, Devi, good evening everyone. Okay, so let's start today's session. Here comes the first question, that's from DI. To attend the first question of the DI, I will be giving you 60 seconds of time, 1 minute. Okay, and all the remaining questions will be provided with 35 seconds. Okay, so let's begin our session. Here comes your first question. Okay, time is up. I'm waiting for your answer. So this was a radar graph. 3 companies are mentioned, company A, B and C. The data represents for 3 years 2018, 19 and 20. Our question was, if number of employees of company A in 2018, 19 and 20 is in the ratio 2:3:4 and average of male employees in 2019, 20 and 18 be 1410, then find the number of employees of company A in 2018. Okay, so this was our question. So our number of employees of company A in 2018. So this graph represents the male percentage. Okay, so here what is the ratio given for company A in 2018 is to 19 is to 20. What is the ratio? 2:3:4. Okay, now you have to find out the average of male employees. Okay, sorry, average of male employees is given, so you have to connect a relation between these two. So here the total employees of company A in 2018, you can take it as 200. Okay, if the total employees is 200, then for 2018 company A, 2018 is the blue line, so that is 40%. 40% of the total employees of company A in 2018 are males. Okay, so here 40% means that is 2/5. Okay, so 200 into 2/5. So that is the number of males in company A during the year 2018. Next, so that will be 80. So this value is 80. For 2018, the value is 80. Next, for 2019, okay, for 19, you can take the total employees as 300. Let the total employees be 300. So next, 19 is orange, so that is 50%. So 50% of the employees are male employees. Okay, so you can take 50% means half, so that is 150. Okay, so for 2019, the male employees is 150. Next, for 2020, you can take the total as 400. Total employees in 2020 is 400, and for 2020, that is 60% of the employees are male. Okay, so that will be 60% means that is 3/5. Okay, and that is 240. Okay, so let's add this. Okay, so this is 470. Okay, so this represents, from our assumption value, this represents the total male employees in company A during these 3 years. Okay, so this represents the total of the male employees in company A during these 3 years, and it is given that the average is 1410. Okay, so if the average is 1410, so you can write the relation like this. So 470 is actually 1410 into 3. Okay, average is 1410, so the total will be into 3. Okay, so that is into 3. Now what is the relation here? You see, into 3. Okay, 47 into 3 will give you 141. Okay, so that is, here there is another 3, so that is into 9. That is 470 into 9 will give you this answer. Okay, 470 into 9 will give you this number. So our question is to find out the number of male employees of company A in 2018. In 2018, how many employees are there? Total employees are asked. So that is total employees of 2018. So that is 200. Okay, so 200 into 9 will give you the answer, that is 1800. So answer is 1800, that is option 4. Is it clear for you? I'm waiting for your response. If it is clear, please mention it. Shall I go into the next question? Or should I explain any part of this question? Okay, the answers are coming. Manju, KP, Rujik. Okay, answer option 4. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. So let's move into the next question. Okay. So here comes your next question. Be prepared. Question number 2. Yes, time is up. Waiting for your answer. Okay. Question number 2. Employees of company C continuously decreases from 2018 to 2020. and it decreases by the same number in 2020 from 2019 as it decreased in 2019 from 2018. Okay, so here what is given? Decreases by the same number, not percentage, by the same number in 2020 from 2019 as it decreased from 2019 from 2018. So what is the meaning of the statement? There are 3 years mentioned. Okay, so the decrease from 2018, it is continuously decreasing. The decrease from 2018 to 2019 is same as that of the decrease from 2019 to 2020. Okay, so if I am taking the value, let the number of employees in 2020 be 100. Okay, so what will be the number of employees in 2019? That will be 100 plus x, and in 2018 that will be 100 plus 2x. See how much decrease was there? X employees were decreased, and in 2019 to 2020 here also x employees were decreased. Okay, anyway, I took the number of employees in 2020, let it be 100 employees. Okay, next what is given? If males in C in 2019 and 2020 are same, then employees of C in 2020, okay, that's the main part. So let's get this relation. What is given here? If males in C in 2019 and 2020 are same, okay, so in 2020 the number of total employees is 100, and in 2019 the total employees is 100 plus x. So in both these years the number of male employees were same. So you can equate the number of male employees in these 2 years. Okay, so 2020, that is 100. Okay, 100 into 2020 for C, that is green, and that is actually 70. Okay, that is 70. Okay, so 70 means, hundreds to 70 means you can write it as hundreds to 70 means that is 70 itself. Okay, so number of male employees in company C during the year 2020 is 70. You can write it directly as 70 because you have taken the total employees as 100. So 70% of 100 is 70 itself. Okay, so the number of male employees in 2020 is 70 is equal to number of male employees in 2019. Okay, and that is 100 plus x, that is the total employees in 2019 into 2019 is orange, so that will be 70, 60, 50. 50% means 1 by 2. Okay, 50% is 1 by 2. On solving you will get the increase as 40. So this is 140, 140 is equal to 100 plus x, or you can get the value of x as 40. So what was the decrement here? It decreased by 40. So here also it decreased by 40. Okay, now let's come into the main question. Before that, how many employees were there in 2020? That is 100. In 2019 that will be 140, and in 2018 that will be 180. See, decrement of 40, here also decrement of 40. Okay. Next, let's read our main question. Then, employees of C in 2020, that is 100, is what percent less than employees of C in 2018? See, 180. Okay, so this 100 is how much percentage less than 180? That is our question. So let's find out what is the decrease. 80 divided by, it is compared with respect to, less than. After that what is given? After that then it is compared with employees of C in 2018. 2018 is 180. Okay, so it is compared with 180. So difference is 80. Less than or more than means you have to take the difference. Okay, difference is 80 and it is compared with the value of 2018, which is 180. Okay, into 100. Simplified, 400 by 9. 400 by 9 means that will be option 4. 400 by 9 percentage. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. Okay, Rujik, so I hope it is clear for you. I'm moving into the next question. Here comes your third question. Be ready. Yes, time is up. Waiting for your answer. Jyotika Jo. Okay, Jyotika, you're a new student. Okay, this question, it's from the radar graph. Okay, so only after attending a few classes, after that it will be clear for you. Okay, so don't get tensed. Please watch our videos, okay Jyotika, please watch our videos, go through the basics of DI, okay, it will be clear for you, don't get tensed. This is your first class, so don't worry about it, just go through the class, okay. Okay Jyotika. See, this is a simple question. Attend it and give me the answer soon. It's a very simple question. Okay, so I am going to explain the third question. See what is given. Sum of males from company B in 2018 and 2019 is 1530. Okay, so that is 18 plus 19 is given as 1530. Sum of the males in 2019 and 20 is 2010. Okay, so 19 plus 20 is given as 2010. So what is this total? What is this total? It's given sum of males. Okay, in both the places it is a sum of males. Okay, so on observing these two given data, see what is common here? 2019. Okay, the sum of males. When you here the sum of males is given. So when you are taking into consideration both these data, okay, 2019's male value is common. Okay, so if I am adding these two, okay, what is the value which you are getting? Total of 18 plus 19 plus 20, that is a total, plus apart from that again one more 19 is there, because 2 times 19 is there. Okay, so I am going to find out this total. How much is this total? 3540. The total is 3540. Okay, now what is the next data? If sum of males from company B in all the given years is 2490, see again sum of males, total males in company B from all the years is given, that is 2490. So that is this value is given as 2490, this value is 2490. So what is the value for 2019? That will be just subtract it from 3540. I am going to subtract it, so that is minus 2490. On subtracting, this will be 1050. Okay, this is 1050. And next, what was our question? Then find the employees of company B in 2019. Okay, so you got, what is this value? The number of male employees in 2019 is given as 1050. What is our question? Find out the total employees in company B. Okay, total employees in company B in 2019. So that is this value. 70, 60, 50, 40. So that is 40%. Value of 40% is given as 1050. 40% is given as 1050. Okay. Then what is the value of 100%? 100% is how much? 1050 into 5 by 2. Okay. So that will be 525 into 5. So that is 25 to 2625. So our answer is 2625, that is option 1, 2625. Yes, Aditya Krishnan, Malu, yes, right answer, option 1. Pratisha, Aishwarya, no, Aishwarya, that is only 40% of the total employees. That is, this value is the number of male employees. Our question is to find out total employees. Okay, so that is only 40%. You have to find out how much is 100%. Okay. Aparna, Anjita, Manju, Adira, Hemalada. Okay, right answer. Okay, so that was the end of DI. Next, we are moving into the number series section. So, in number series, I will just give you a hint. The first series will be given, you have to identify the pattern, and below that another series, the starting term of the next series will be given. You have to follow that pattern and find out what is that question mark. Okay, so next 3 questions will be from number series. So, be ready. So, here comes your 4th question. Yes, time is up. I will give you some more time. Please solve it. That's a simple series. Please solve it. Yes, answers are coming. Manju, Malu, Aditya, Pratisha, Ruji, right answer. Okay, so first of all, on getting a question from number series, the first step you have to do is observe the change, whether it is gradual change or sudden change. So first term and the last term. First term is 1, last term is 651. So that is a sudden change. Okay, so sudden change means first step. So those who have watched the video from number series, you know, first if you are getting sudden change, first you have to check whether it is coming from multiplication series or not. This is not coming from multiplication series because exact multiples are not here. Okay, so next I am going for miscellaneous series. So miscellaneous series means, see, 31 and 129. So 31 and 129 means that is into 4. Okay, that is into 4 range. Here this is into 3, into 2, into 1. Okay, so I think this is coming under miscellaneous range. So I am just checking it under miscellaneous. Okay, so starting from the middle terms, miscellaneous, you have to start from the middle terms, 31 to 129. So 31 into 4, that is 124. What I need is 129. So plus 5 will give you 129. Next, 9 to 31, that is into 3, 27, plus 4, 31. Okay. Next, 3 to 9, 3 into 2, 6, plus 3, 9. Next, 1 into 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay. Next is 129 into 5 plus 6. So observe the last term, 9 5s are 45, 5 plus 6, 1. Yes, it ends in 1. Okay, so that's, you got the pattern. So that is into 1 plus 2, into 2 plus 3, into 3 plus 4, into 4 plus 5. In the same way, you have to follow in the next series, which starts with 2. Okay, so next series starts with 2 means that will be 2 into 1 plus 2, that is 4. So next term is 4 here. Next, 4 into 2 plus 3, 8 plus 3 is 11. So next term is 11 here. Next, 11 into 3 plus 4, 33 plus 4 is 37. So next term is 37. Next, 37 into 4 plus 5. So that is 28, 148 plus 5. So that will be 153. Okay, so that is 153. So next term is 153, and the next term will give you the answer 153 into 5 plus 6. Okay, so into 5 means that will be 15, 1, 26, 2, 765 plus 6. So that will be 771. So our answer is 771, option 4. Many of you have answered the question. Okay, Achilles, right answer. Aravind, right answer. Okay, so let's move into the next question. So next question also the same type. Be ready. Here comes your fifth question. Okay, time is up. I'll give you some more time. Okay, Arya, I will explain the radar graph once again at the end of the session. That's such a simple series, waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, Manju KP, right answer. Aditya. Pratisha, yes, right answer. Okay, so I hope you got the pattern. So here you see 4, 2, 2, 3, 6, 15, 45. So on seeing itself, I'm not going for sudden change or gradual change, because on seeing itself, see, second term is coming near to the half of the first term. So that is the special case of miscellaneous series. Okay, so here, so let's start into 0.5. 4 into 0.5 is 2. Just take its half. Next 2 itself, so that is into 1. Next 2 into 1.5, that is 3. Next 3 into 2, that is 6. Next 6 into 2.5, so that is 15. Next 15 into 3 is 45. So I hope we got the pattern. Okay, so yes, Arvind, right answer. Next, let's start with our new series, which starts with 6. Okay, so 6 into 0.5, that is 3, so this term is 3. Next, 3 into 1 is 3 itself, so the next term is also 3. Next, 3 into 1.5, okay, so that is 4.5. Okay, next 4.5 into 2, that is 9, so next term is 9. Next 9 into 2.5, okay, so that is 22.5. Okay, so this is 22.5, and the next term will give the answer 22.5 into 3. Okay, so that is 67.5. Okay, so that is answer option 1, 67.5. Many of you have answered. Yes, Akhil, right answer. So let's move into the next question. That's the last question from number series. Here comes your sixth question, the last question from number series. Yes, time is up. Waiting for your answer. See, that's only a gradual change. Sudden change is not there. That's only a gradual change. So just take the difference. You will get the pattern. Okay. Okay. I haven't received any answer till now. I'm waiting for your answer. There's only a gradual change, so you just need to take the difference. So difference means if you are not getting any pattern in the first difference, you can go for the next difference also. You can proceed until you get a pattern. Anyway, it is clear this is coming under addition series. Okay. Because it is not moving as. Malu, please check your answer. Okay, so I am going to take the difference here. So 113 and 170. Okay, so what's the difference here? 57. Next, here 62. Next, 71. Next, 96. Next, yes, answers are coming. Aditya Krishnan, Anjita, Pradisha Sam, right answer. Arya Menon, right answer. Okay, so this was the first difference, but you can't get any pattern here in the first difference, so I am going for the next difference. So next difference will be, this is 5 and this is 9, this is 15, this is 25. Okay, so this is next, going for the next difference, 4, 16, 36, 64. Okay. So 4, 16, 36, 64. What are these numbers? This is 2 square, this is 4 square, this is 6 square, this is 8 square. Okay, so these are the, so finally after going into the third difference, you got the pattern as these are consecutive squares of even numbers. Okay, so squares of consecutive even numbers. So 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square. Okay, so finally we got the pattern. So you can proceed here. So just what to do means replace the question with our new series. Okay, so I am going to replace the question with our new series. What's our question? It starts with 93. Okay, so 93 plus 57, 10, 150. Okay, next, 150 plus 62, that is 212. Next, 212 plus 71, so that is 283. Next, 283 plus 96, 379, sorry, 379. Next, 379 plus 157, so that is 16, 8, 536, 536 plus 282. So that is 818. So our answer is 818. That is option 4. 818. Option 4. Yes, Gauri Lakshmi, right answer. Aravind, right answer. Akhilesh, right answer. Many of you have commented the right answer. Okay. So that was the end of number series. So let's move into the word problem section. So question number 7. Yes, time is up. Yes, Devi, right answer. Roshni, Aditya, yes, right answer, option 4. Okay, so let's start. That was a simple question. Sonakshi spends 20% of her monthly salary on food. Out of remaining salary, she spends 30% on rent, 50% on furniture. Find the amount Sonakshi spends on food and rent together if her annual salary is rupees 4,20,000. Okay, so all other data is given with respect to monthly salary, but our final value, so see, her annual salary is given as 4,20,000. So before starting into our question, you first find out what is the monthly salary. The annual salary is 4,20,000, so monthly salary will be divided by 12, so that is 4,20,000 divided by 12, and that will be 35,000. So the monthly salary of Sonakshi is 35,000. Okay, so let's assume, let that total monthly salary be 100. I am going to do it in assumption, let the monthly salary be 100. Okay, and actually what is her monthly salary? That is 35,000. I am assuming it as 100 so that I can easily calculate. Okay, so yes, Malu, right answer. Okay, so I am starting the calculations. So on food, Sonakshi spends 20% of her monthly salary on food, means total is 100. It's a 20% means 20 is spent on food. Okay, next, out of the remaining, what is the remaining? Remaining is 80. Out of total 100, 20 has been used, so the remaining is 80. Okay, and in that 80, she spends 30% on rent, 50% on furniture. Okay, so rent is 30% of the remaining. 80 is 30% is 24. Next, furniture. Furniture, that is 50%. So 80 is 50% is 40. Okay, now what is our question? Find the amount Sonakshi spends on food and rent. Food and rent means total is 44. Okay, so you have to find out how much is this 44. For that, what data is available? We know our total 100 is 35,000. Okay, so we know 100 is 35,000. So what is the relation? That is into 350. Okay, so find out how much is 44. So 44 is into 350. Okay, so multiply 0. 4 5s are 20, remainder 2. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, that is 14. 14 plus 20, so that is 34. 3, so that is 15400. So our answer is option 4, 15400. Okay. So many of you have commented the right answer, 15400. Yes, Agnes, right answer. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. That was a simple question. So let's move into the next question. Yes, time is up. I will give you some more time. Answers are not coming. Okay, so I'm going to do the problem. So those who have got the idea, please proceed and comment the answer. Others, please listen here. Okay, so a man spends 18,000 partially in scheme A, which offers 15% per annum at compound interest, and remaining in scheme B, which offers 25% per annum at compound interest. After 2 years, he earns rupees 7,725 as interest. Find the amount invested on scheme B is what percent less or more than the amount invested on scheme A. So actually what is our question? You have to find out the amount invested on scheme B is what percentage more or less, means the difference is asked. So difference of A and B, scheme A and B, with respect to what? The amount invested on scheme A. This is asked in our question. Okay, so this difference with respect to A. So that is our question. Okay, so here actually we don't need the actual investments, how much is invested in scheme A or B. It would be better if we are able to find out the ratio in which this 18,000 is divided and invested in scheme A and B. Okay, so just find out in what ratio this 18,000 is divided in both schemes A and B. So go for that ratio. So I am going to find out that ratio. So this is how you analyze the question. This is the main part of the question. So actually if you are going to find out the actual investments, it will be bigger numbers. It will be difficult for you to find out this percentage value and all. But think this way. If I am able to find out in what ratio, suppose if this 18,000, I am just giving you an example, if this 18,000 is divided in 1:2 ratio, I got that this, after solving, I got that this 18,000 is divided between A and B in 1:2 ratio. Then what will be our answer? The difference, that is 1 divided by, with respect to 1 means that is 100%. Okay, so our answer will become 100%. See how easily we can solve this. So what I need is this ratio so that I can easily find out. So find out this answer. Okay, so I am going to find out the ratio. So ratio means, okay, so let's find out the ratio. How to get the ratio? How can you find out the ratio in which this 18,000 is divided between scheme A and B? There, I am going to apply the concept of allegation. Okay, so in allegation, the result of allegation is always a ratio, isn't it? So in order to get a ratio, I am going to allegate it. Yes, right answer. Many of you have started commenting the answers. Arun, Pratisha, Sam. Okay, so I am going to allegate it. Okay, so in allegation, what is the concept? This is scheme A, this is scheme B. If I am investing the entire 18,000 in scheme A, then what is my interest? Next concept, if I am going to invest the entire 18,000 in scheme B, what is the interest? But here in this question, only some part is invested in scheme A, the remaining is invested in scheme B, and as a result, I got the interest of 7,725. So this is the middle value. Okay, so now after allocating I will get the ratio. So what I need is, what is the interest which you are going to get when you are investing the entire 18,000 in scheme A. So first you have to go and find that value. Okay, so let's find that value. So here you see, first scheme A, what is given? 15% per annum at compound interest, 15% per annum. So what is the time? After 2 years is given, so the time period is 2 years. If the time period is 2 years, you can go for 1 to 1. You can go for 1 to 1. Okay, so 15%. So what is the principal? 18,000. Next, when coming to the next, here it will be 18,000 into 15%. Okay, next, so that will be 180 into 15. So next is 180 into 15 into, it's a 15%. Okay, so those who have watched the video from compound interest, you will know what this is. Okay, into 15%. Okay, so this will give you the compound interest. So once again I repeat, so it is 2 years. 2 years means you can take the coefficients as 1 to 1. Okay, 2 years. Now apply the rate. Your principal is 18,000. Next for 2, that will be 18,000's 15%. Okay, so that value is actually 180 into 15. Next, when you are coming to the next part, here it was 180 into 15. So that 180 into 15 into, it's a 15%, that is into 15 by 100. Okay, so now let's find out that compound interest, how much this is. So that is actually 180 into 15, so that is 0, 8 5s are 40, 0, 4. Next, 8 1s are 8 plus 4, that is 12 plus 5, 17, 1, that is 2,700. Now what is this part? I am simplifying it with 5, so this will be 3 and 20, again with 5, this is 3 and 4, with 4, this is 45, so 45 into 9. So this part is 45 into 9 is 405. Okay, so what is the compound interest? 2 into 2,700 plus 1 into 405. You have to multiply with the coefficients. 2 into 2,700 plus 1 into 405. So those who don't know the concept of this method for finding out the compound interest, please watch the video. Okay, so 2 into 2,700, so that is 5,400. Okay, so 5,400 plus 405, so that is 5,805. Okay, so this part, that is the interest which you are going to get when you are investing the entire 18,000 in scheme A. That is what we have got as 5,805. 5,805. Next part of the next part. So that is how much interest you are going to get when you are investing the entire 18,000 in scheme B. That is what you are going to find out. So scheme B, that is also for 2 years, but what is the rate? 25% per annum. So I am going to find out that here. So scheme B, that is 1 to 1, again it is for 2 years, so you can take it as 1 to 1, 18,000, so principal is 18,000. Next part, it is 25%, so 18,000's 25% will be 18,000 into 25% is 1 by 4th, so that will be 4,450. Okay, so that is 450. Next, what is this? Here this value is 450, so next is 450 is 25%. Okay, so that will be, so this is 4,500, sorry, this is 4,500, so 4,500 25%, so that will be 1, 1, next 2, 5, 1, 1, 2, 5. Okay, so now what is the compound interest? This is 2 times 4,500, so that is 9,000 plus 1125. Okay, so that is 10125. So from scheme B, when you are investing 18,000 entirely in scheme B, you will get a compound interest as 10,125. So this value is 10,125. Next, what you have to do is just alligate it. Okay, alligate this value. Okay, so on alligating, I'm just I'm rewriting that portion because I'm not having any space here. So from scheme A, what is the compound interest which you are going to get when you are investing the entire 18,000 in scheme A? That is 5,805. Next, if you are investing the entire 18,000 in scheme B, you will be getting the interest as 10,125. Next, how much did you get? That is 7,725. Now you allocate it and find out the ratio. So what is this difference? This is 0, 0, next 11 minus 7, so that is 1, 2,400 is 2. What is this value? 7725 minus 5805, so that is 0, 5805. So this difference is 0, 2, next is 9, next is 1920. Okay, now I am going to simplify it, cancelling with 0, next again I am simplifying with 4, so taking with 4 this is 60, and with 4 this will be 4, 16, 32, 48, cancelling with 6, no I am cancelling with 12, so 12 means this is 5 and this is 4, so what is the ratio? 5:4. So I got that this 18,000 is divided in between scheme A and B in what ratio? In 5:4 ratio. Now find out our answer. What is our question? The difference. What is this difference? 1 divided by, compared with respect to A, so 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means that is 20%. So our answer is option 2, 20%. 1 by 5 means that is 20%. Many of you have answered it. Good. Gauri, please check your answer. Aravind, Achilles, yes, right answer. I hope it is clear for you. Shall I move into the next question? Okay, I am moving into the next question. If you have any doubt, please comment it. I will explain it at the end of the session. Okay. So next is question number 9. Yes, time is up. Waiting for your answer. question number 9. Yes, right answer. Arun, right answer. Devi, please check your answer. Manju, KP, yes, right answer. See, if you know the formula, you can easily find out this answer. So, curved surface area of a given cylinder is 924. So, what is the CSA? Curved surface area means that is CSA of a cylinder is actually 2 pi RH. So, 2 pi RH is given as 924. Okay. So, before going into the next calculation, I am just finding out what is pi RH. Pi RH is divided by 2. Okay. So, that will be 462. So, pi RH is 462. Next, what is given? If the ratio of radius and height of the cylinder is 1:3, okay, so radius is to height is 1:3, okay, so I am going to substitute radius is equal to 1/3 height, okay, I am going to substitute that here. So, pi is actually 22/7 into radius is 1/3 h, so that is 1/3 h into h is equal to 462, okay. So, next I am simplifying with the I am taking this with 11, so this is 2 and this is actually 42. Again with 2, this will be 21. So, here you will get h square is equal to 7 3s are 21. So, h square is equal to 21 into 21, or you can write h is 21. Okay, so you got h as 21. So, what is radius? 1/3 h means that is 7. Okay, so you will get radius as 7. Okay, if radius is 7, what is our question? Volume of a cylinder. What is volume of a cylinder? Volume is pi r square h. Okay, just check. You know pi r h is 462. You know pi r h is 462. So, pi r h into r will give you pi r square h. Okay, so pi r h is 462 into what is r? 7. So, that will be 14, 4, 43, 4, 32. So, that is 3, 2, 3, 4, that is option 1. 3, 2, 3, 4, option 1. So, I think it is clear for you. Many of you have commented the answer. It is good. Okay, Gauri Lakshmi, right answer. Adra, Ashok, Manju, Ruchi, Malu, Pradisha, Sam, right answer. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. Yes, Devi, right answer. So, let us move into the next question, that is the 10th question. Question number 10. Yes, time is up. Waiting for your answer. Aravind, yes, right answer. Aravind D, right answer. Akhil, yes, right answer. Pradisha Sam, right answer. That was a simple question. Answers are coming. Gauri Lakshmi, right answer. Arun, work as 20, 30, the LCM is 60. So, what is the efficiency here? 60 by 20, that is 3. 60 by 30, that is 2. Okay, so when these two are working together, they will be working with 3 plus 2, 5 efficiency. They will be working with 3 plus 2, 5 efficiency. So, it is given that they work on alternate days. So, I am just considering it as a cycle. Okay, one cycle means that is 2 days, one cycle is 2 days. Okay, so let us see how many cycles are needed. So in one cycle, how much work will be completed? In the first day, 3, in the second day, 2. So in one cycle means that is 2 days. So that is 5 work will be completed. So like that, how many cycles are needed? Total work 60 divided by 5. So that is 12 cycles are needed. 12 cycles means each cycle is 2 days. So 12 cycles means 24 days. So our answer is option 4, 24 days. Okay. I hope it is clear for you. Many of you have commented the answer. Okay. Anaka, Hemalada, Emily, Anjida, Abhi Krishnan, Manju, KP, yes, right answer. Okay. So I am moving into the next question. Question number 11. Yes, time is up. Waiting for your answer. See what is given. Find the least number which being divided by 9, 12, 16 and 30 leaves remainder 3 in each case. Yes, Arun, right answer. Hemalada, Ramya, Ruchik, Jibin. Yes, right answer. So just do what? Find the least number which being divided by 9, 12, 16 and 30 leaves remainder 3 in each case. What to do? Just take the LCM. Okay, just take the LCM and that is a number where it's exactly divisible. Okay, so but here you need a remainder of 3 means extra 3 is there in that portion. So just take the LCM and just add 3 to it. So what is LCM of 9, 12? What is the LCM of 9, 12, 16 and 30? Take the LCM. Okay. So LCM will be, if it is 2 or 3 numbers, it will be easier when you check the multiples of the biggest number. Okay. Here the biggest number is 30. Go for its multiple which are divisible by 9, 12 and 16 together. So here just it would be easier if you just take the LCM like this. Okay. So that is 3, 4, 16, 10 with 2, 3, 2, 8, 5. Okay. Again with 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. Okay. So here it ends. So this will be 6 6 are 36, 36 into 20. So that is 720. So the LCM is 720 plus remainder is 3. So our answer is 723. Okay. So our answer is 723. Okay, option 1. If the numbers given were 2 or 3 numbers, it would be easier if you go with the largest number, multiples of the largest bigger number. So that is go with the multiples of 30. Okay, and you have to check in which multiple of 30 all the remaining numbers are divisible. Okay, but here you see there are 3 more numbers extra, so that's why I went with this method. Okay. Okay, Emily, welcome. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. Let's move into the last question of this session. Final question, question number 12. Yes, time is up. I will give you some more time. Aravind Thakil, S, that was the answer to the previous question or this question? I think that was the answer to the previous question. Okay. Ramya Hari, yes, right answer. Gauri Lakshmi, right answer. Okay, so what is given here? When 1 liter of water is added to a mixture of acid and water, the new mixture contains 20% acid. Okay, so initially there was a mixture which contained acid and water in a particular ratio, we don't know that. So when 1 liter of water is added to a mixture, so that is the initial mixture here, I am adding 1 liter of water to it. Okay, and what happened? The new mixture contains 20% acid. So the new mixture contains 20% acid, means how much is the water content remaining? 80%. Okay, if acid is 20%, water is 80%. So what is acid is to water ratio? So this is the initial mixture and this is the new mixture which is formed by adding 1 liter of water to this initial mixture. We don't know what is that ratio. So anyway, it is given that was a mixture of acid and water, and to that I am adding 1 liters of water to it. Okay, and I got a new mixture which is the second mixture, and the second mixture contained 20% acid. 20% acid means what is acid is to water ratio? If acid is 20, then water will be 80, so that will be 1:4. So you can say acid is to water ratio is 1:4. Next, when 1 liter of acid is added to the new mixture, then the resulting mixture contains 100/3% acid. Now to the second mixture, what I am adding is 1 liter of acid. I am adding 1 liter of acid. Okay, and the resulting mixture contains 100/3% acid. So I am getting a third mixture, and what is given in the third mixture? 100/3%. What is 100/3%? That is 100/300. Percentage means you are getting 100 in the denominator. So that is 100/3% means that is 100/300, or that is 1/3. And what is this 1/3? That is the content of acid. Acid is 1/3, which means that how much is water? Out of total 3, acid has 1 part. See, always the fraction, what is the denominator of a fraction? That represents the total. So the total of the mixture was 3, means acid content was 1 part. So how much is the water content? 3 minus 1, 2 parts. So water will be 2/3. Or you can write acid is to water ratio is 1:2. I hope this much portion is clear for you. Once again I will explain. So initially there was a ratio acid is to water, mixture was there. To that I am adding 1 liters of water. I got a second mixture, and in that second mixture what was given? It contained 20% acid. 20% acid means the water content will be 80%. Remaining will be water. So that is 80%. 20:80 is 1:4. So you got the second mixture as 1:4. Now to the second mixture I am adding 1 liter of acid. Okay, I am adding 1 liter of acid to the second mixture, and I am getting a third mixture in which see what is given in the third mixture. the acid content is 100 by 3%. Okay, so 100 by 3% means that is 100 by 300 or that is 1/3. If acid is 1/3, how much is water? Water should be 2/3. Or you can write acid is to water ratio is 1:2. Now let's go into the next part. Here you see the percentage. What is our main question? The percentage of acid in the original mixture was. I have to find out how much percentage acid was there originally. For that I need what is this ratio. Once I get the ratio in which the initial mixture was there, how much acid, how much water was there, I can easily find out this percentage value. So my aim is to find out what was the ratio of acid and water in the initial mixture. That is what I am going to find out. So I am starting from here. See, between the second and third mixture, what was the change? To the second mixture, I just added 1 liter of acid. So the change should be there only for acid, because to the second mixture I added only acid, the water content should be same. Okay, so the water content should be same here from the ratio. The water in the second mixture, the water content in the ratio is 4. So since I haven't changed the water, I haven't changed the content of water here, I just added only acid, so the water content should be same in the third mixture, which should be 4 itself. Okay, see, once again I repeat, in the second mixture I am having only 4 parts of water. Okay, so 4 water means in the third mixture also I should get 4 parts of water, because I have added only acid. The change is only for acid. Water content is fixed. So to make this water content fixed, here it is 4, I have to make here also 4. For that I am multiplying this entire ratio with 2. I am multiplying this entire ratio with 2, so that this becomes 2:4. Now you see there is no change in water content. Okay, and what is the change in acid? The 1 part of acid has been increased. And why this 1 part of acid has been increased? Because I added 1 liter of acid. So this increase, take this vertical height. This increase of 1 part is actually 1 liters of acid. This increase of 1 part is actually 1 liter of acid, or I can say that the numbers in this ratio represents the exact value. The numbers in this ratio represents the exact value, so that I can say in the second mixture how much acid, how much water was there. The number, see, this vertical height 1 represents 1 liter, so this acid content is also 1 liter. This acid is 1 liter, and how much water was there? 4 liters of water was there. Now I am moving back into the initial mixture. See, to the initial mixture I added 1 liter of water. I added 1 liter of water to the initial mixture in order to get this second mixture. Okay, so what was the change between the first and second mixture? There is no change in the content of acid, because the only change what I made was I added 1 liter of water. So the acid content should be same. So in the second mixture, if it is 1 liter of acid, in the first mixture also it should be 1 liter of acid itself. So acid is 1 itself. Okay, next, water content means I added 1 liter of water to this initial mixture in order to get 4 liters of water in the second mixture. So what was the initial mixture? That should be 3. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. So I got the initial ratio as 1:3. Now tell me, what is our question? Percentage of acid in the original mixture. Acid content is 1. See, acid is to water ratio is 1:3. So acid content is 1 divided by how much is the total? Total mixture is acid plus water, that is 1 plus 3, that is 4. So 1/4 of 100, that will be 25%. So our answer is option 4, 25%. I hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please comment it. Please comment if it is clear for you. Or should I explain this question once again? Okay, Emily, clear. It's okay, good. Achilles, yes, right answer. Okay, Anjida, Hemalada, okay. So that was the end of the session today's. So actually there was a student, Arya Menon, she asked me to explain how to take the data from the radar graph, how to read that data. Okay. So I am just going to explain how to take the data, how to analyze a radar graph. I am going to explain that. So if you want, please listen. Okay. Others, this is the end of the session. Okay. So I am going to explain how to find out how to read the data from the radar graph. Okay. See, this is a radar graph. Okay. So in radar graph, you see here there are 3 arms which represents for each company. This is company A, this is company B, and this is company C. Okay. So is it clear for you? Can you see the graph clearly, or should I zoom in? I hope it is clear for you now. See, there are 3 arms, each arm represents each company. This is company A, this is company B, and this is company C. Okay. See, and here in 3 different colors, 3 different years are noted. See, the blue color represents 2018, the orange color represents 2019, and the green color represents 2020. Okay. And also it was given that this graph represents the percentage of males in that company, percentage of males in that company. Okay, so here anyway this middle portion is 0. Okay, this is 10%, this is 20%, this is 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. The same goes around all the arms. Okay. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Here also it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay. So along all the 3 arms, this is the distribution. Okay, percentage distribution. Now you see, if my question is to find out the percentage of males in company A from 2018. So first focus on company A. Which arm represents company A? This is the arm which represents company A. So focus on this arm. Now focus on the year. Which year is asked? 2018 is asked. So 2018 means that is a blue line. Okay. So focus on the blue dot, which is this one. Okay. So that is 40%. So this blue is on the 40%. So this is 40%. Okay. Now suppose if it is from company C, you have to find out the percentage of males in 2020. Okay, percentage of males in 2020 means that is from company C. So focus on this arm. Company C's arm is this one. So that is 2020. 2020 means that is the green. 2020 is green. So this is the value. So that is the final value. So that is 70. So that is 70%. Okay. Now suppose if it is from company B, you have to find out the percentage of males in for the year 2019. Okay. So company B means focus on this arm. Okay. So in this arm, this is the company B's arm. Okay. 2019 means that is the orange line. So orange means this is the value. So this is 70, 60, 50, 40. So that is 40%. Okay. So that is 40%. I hope it is clear for you. Arya Menon, if it is clear, please respond. Should I explain furthermore? Should I go into any of the questions in the DI? Please explain it. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Please respond. Okay, Arya. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. So that was the end of the session. Thank you.